you want it rigged, not wired, bring it to Ben's, just like Mike from Texas here did. Check us out. Ben's is a Garmin warranty center. So this here is doing a little warranty change out on his transducer. He's having a side imaging issue, so got a hold of Garmin, replaced it. He actually wanted to upgrade his transducer. Garmin being Garmin, all they required him was just to purchase the $99 nose cone, and they upgraded the transducer free for him. So pretty cool deal. That's why we deal with Garmin. You know what really chaps my hide? Patch lock.
Why is that?
Yeah, it doesn't actually.
Catching tuna.
Is that not what I'm trying to do here? It is. It is. I'm just a patch lock pussy. That's what's going on there. In all honesty, I don't care about any of this. Nobody likes it dry.
Hey Ben, who's the worst fisherman?
I don't even know what to say to that. Who's the worst fisherman?
Yeah.
The worst fisherman. Oh my God, there's so many. How do you choose? It's gonna be a toss-up between Rick and Nate. I had a gentleman in here yesterday morning. I think he wanted to fight me because he was like, this LVS 44, what a freaking waste. No. Like, it's a 34 on steroids. It does have better resolution. You can see way farther. Super cool. Come fight me, I dare ya. This is Mike's Vexus from Texas. If you want it rigged right, not wired, you bring it to Ben's. I mean, I don't want to say I have a degree in this or anything, but that looks better than the factory. I mean, just saying. Hey, a screwdriver, not a screw gun.
What kind?
Phillips, JIS type. We got patch lock. We got 243, my favorite. I assume this one's better, but I don't know, maybe patch lock's better. What do you guys think? If I can't cut a cord to length, like a transducer cord or a network cable, I'm always gonna dog bone it. You know, I don't want that loop of interference going crazy. Dog bone it so your interference flies off the end. Pretty sure that's how it works. I don't know, I dreamt about it once. Series 2 LVS 42 HD, big go, absolutely. Everybody, oh, it's not worth it, it's not worth it. Once you play with it, you're gonna see why it's worth it. So, check it out, LiveScope Series 2, totally worth it. Got Mike all the way from Vexus with this sexy transducer upgrade on his OG forced trolling motor.